Through its 3 lending programs, the U.S. Department of Energy's Loan Programs Office finances large-scale energy infrastructure projects in the United States. This video outlines how LPO works with applicants and borrowers, from initial project development, through all steps of the formal application and loan transaction process, all the way to loan maturity. First, it's important to know some basic elements of LPO's approach to lending. While LPO takes a rigorous approach as a lender to protect the interests of the American taxpayer, we are equally committed to working cooperatively with applicants and borrowers through every step of the process. This focus on partnering for long-term success begins immediately, with LPO engaging potential applicants early, well before the formal application is even submitted. Finally, while the loan transaction timetable can vary from borrowers depending on project complexity and readiness, LPO's commitment to working with applicants to shorten the timeline between submitting an application and reaching loan closing is a fundamental part of our lending approach. Now let's take a closer look at the loan transaction process steps that an applicant can expect. 1. First, we offer pre-application consultations. These consultations allow potential applicants to engage with our team of financial, technical, legal, and environmental compliance experts for a series of no-cost meetings to better understand LPO's approach to reviewing a project's technical eligibility and financial viability. There is no timeline on when to start talking with us. Discussions can start weeks, months, or sometimes years before a project is ready to move forward. Our goal here is to identify potential hurdles early on and work with you to find pathways to overcome them. 2. Once the potential applicant has developed a strong understanding of how the project meets the program's eligibility requirements and has discussed a high-level deal structure, it's time to submit a formal application. LPO then reviews and confirms the project's technical eligibility and financial viability. Depending on the loan program, fees and costs may be involved, and application fees may apply. 3. After completing the formal application review, a project is then invited into confirmatory due diligence and term sheet negotiation. This part of the process will be similar to any lender's, and the timeline can vary. During this stage, any third-party advisor costs will be paid for by the applicant. 4. Upon completion of this stage and agreement on a term sheet, the deal will go through a credit approval process to formally approve the term sheet, including any relevant interagency consultations. 5. After the credit approval process is complete, DOE will issue a conditional commitment, which is a public agreement between the parties for DOE to provide a loan or loan guarantee for the project, subject to completion of conditions precedent. Following issuance of the conditional commitment, the loan documents are negotiated and executed using the approved term sheet. Finally, LPO and the borrower close on the loan and disbursements can be made. After closing, LPO continues its long-term partnership to make innovative and challenging projects a success. Our portfolio managers and technical experts can be a valuable resource for long-term project success, particularly during construction and early operations of projects using innovative technology. So let's talk about your project. Contact us to see what financing options may be available to you. It's the value of working with LPO.